What's up everyone, Matthew Winters here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another trade week recap. We're going to take a look at how the dividend portfolio is holding up. We have had some crazy days in the market. Monday was an insane green day with the Dow moving up about 900 points. But we did still have some red days and some green days throughout the week, with today being more of a sideways day for the most part. We're going to have a look at new positions I've bought, and I didn't really sell anything this week. However, there are a few positions I'm looking to sell when the market is right, but we will go over those shortly. And also, we're going to have a look at how the dividend yield is looking and what the annual payout is looking like. Now, if you're new to investing and want to use the same brokerage I do, which is Robinhood, use my link in the description below and you and I will get a free stock with a possibility being valued at a couple $100s. It is absolutely free and a great platform to start investing. Also, if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that like button as it really does help grow the channel. And if you enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe for future dividend investing content. Now, if we look at today, it is during trading hours right now, but we can see for the day we're down $50, 0.10%. If we look at the 1 week, we can see that we're up $2,400 and some change, a little over 5%. And if we look at the month, we can see that we're up $23,1620, right around 5%. And if we look at the 3 month, which is basically all time for this account, we can see that we are up in total about $3,300 and some change, or just about 7.5%. Now, if we take a look at Simply Safe dividends, we can see that my annual payout has increased to $1,244, which is super exciting because we have hit that $1,200 mark that breaks down to about $100 a month. And that $1,244 in dividends gets reinvested right back into the portfolio to keep that compounding growth chugging along. Now, if we look at the valuation, we can see we've decreased a little bit down to 2.87%. And if we look at the dividend growth for the last 5 years, we can see it's come down just a little bit to 6.9%. Now, if we take a look at the diversity of my portfolio, you can see that my real estate sector is still lagging behind. Also, energy and materials, financials, consumer staples, those ones are really not that far behind. But hopefully in the next few weeks, I'll have some opportunities to add more shares in these sectors that are lagging behind, and just to get their percentage up a little bit, to add a little bit more to the piece of the pie, get it a little bit more equaled out. So I didn't sell any positions this week. However, there are a few I want to get rid of when the market is right. I'm going to be dropping Westrock, General Electric, United Airlines, and American Airlines. I may possibly be dropping Wells Fargo, but I'm still up in the air with that one. And when I do end up selling these holdings, I will have a video explaining why. For now, just know that they are on my radar and I'm looking for the right time to exit those positions. So with that being said, let's take a look at new positions I added to the portfolio this week. The first is Genuine Parts Company. I bought 1 share at $76.45. Genuine Parts Company is one of the largest replacement parts makers in the automotive, industrial, and office equipment industries. The United States is by far their largest market, but they also reach into Europe, Canada, Australia, and even Mexico. So basically, if you walk into Napa or AutoZone, Genuine Parts Co. has a large inventory space there. Now, we can see they have a dividend safety score of 72, which is safe, and a 5-year average dividend yield of 4.11%. And what is really amazing is Genuine Parts Company has an uninterrupted dividend streak of 64 years and also increased dividends for the same amount of time, 64 years, making this company a dividend king. This is definitely a company you want to have on your radar and in your dividend portfolio. Sunoco Products Company is another new holding in the portfolio. I bought 3 shares at $47.89. Sunoco Products Company manufactures and sells industrial and consumer packaging products in North and South America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. With the growth of online shopping in e-commerce, this company really is a no-brainer, especially with the stay-at-home orders, with more and more people ordering online. Now, even when the stay-at-home orders are lifted, people will be more used to just ordering online, and a certain percentage is going to continue doing it, adding to the already fast-growing e-commerce. Now, Sunoco has a dividend safety score of 69, which is safe, and an average 5-year dividend yield of 3.52%. Sunoco also has both an uninterrupted dividend streak and dividend growth of 45 years. And the last new holding added this week is Nucor. Nucor basically just manufactures and sells steel and steel products. I bought 3 shares at $39.34. Now, if we look, Nucor has a safety dividend score of 90, which is very safe, and a 5-year average dividend yield of 4.07%. Nucor has both an uninterrupted dividend streak and dividend growth of 47 years. Next, let's take a look at positions that I dollar cost averaged down, as I did see a few opportunities even with the market being mostly in the green. We can see here that we've already went over these two. I did buy 6 shares of Pembina pipeline. I bought 6 shares at $24.82. I bought Verizon, purchased 2 shares at $53.97. We have Johnson & Johnson, where I bought 2 shares at $145.27. We can see we had a deposit here to add a little bit more money to buy on the down days. I did pick up a little bit more Bitcoin. It did drop down to $8,900, so I did pick up $100 worth at that price point. I did buy 2 shares of Merck at $76.76. Picked up 3 shares of Duke Energy at $82.15. Picked up 5 shares of Omnicom at $52.27. We can see here we had a dividend payout from Caterpillar of $3.09. Picked up 5 shares of at&t at $29.32. Genuine Parts is the new company we already went over. I did pick up 10 shares of Cohen & Steers Quality Income Realty Fund at $9.15. I had another Pembina pipeline buy, 4 shares at $24.39. And I also picked up cubesmart, 5 shares at $24.41. And before we close out, guys, I just want to show you what dividend payouts we have coming up. As time goes on, these payments are getting bigger and bigger as we keep adding and dollar cost averaging solid, healthy positions. So as a dividend investor, this is just awesome to see. So if we look as far as June 16th, we do have a dividend from Duke Energy of $14.18. Microsoft at $1.02. Chevron, $2.58. ExxonMobil, $8.70. Norfolk Southern, $3.76. Honeywell, $2.70. Pfizer, $1.14. RGA, $4.20. Valero, $4.90. Visa, $3. Walmart, $1.62. Wells Fargo, $7.65. Intel, $6.60. Cohen & Steers, $1.60. Westrock, $3. Apache, 3 cents. And Starbucks, $2.05. It all adds up, guys, and trust me, it's a great feeling seeing these payouts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the weekly recap. It's something that we do every Friday to go over the portfolio, see what was bought and sold, and see what we might be possibly doing in the future. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that like button because it really does help out this little channel. And as always, if you want to follow me on my dividend journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're new to investing and want to use the same brokerage I do, which is Robinhood, use my link in the description below and you and I will get a free stock with a possibility of being valued at a couple $100. It is absolutely free and a great platform to start investing. Anyway, trade safe, take care.